Welcome to the party, pal. My name is Chris Whitlock, the president and founder of Study GRC, and we have a big announcement to share with the community. So, for over a year, we've been meeting every single week to talk about various GRC topics. We've had speakers present for us, we've had engaging conversation, and we've definitely seen value add to the community as a whole. And recently, we had our State of Study GRC where we talked about wanting to add more value to the community. And so, starting on February 3rd, we will start streaming 5 days a week. And that's going to be at 11 a.m. Central, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Our Thursday stream will not change. So our Thursday stream is our primary, which will always be 6 p.m. Central time. Now, the way that this schedule is going to work is on Monday and Tuesday at 11 a.m. Central, we'll have GRC hands-on labs. We're actually going to start by building out Study GRC's program itself live on YouTube as a community. On Wednesdays is going to be the GRC Let's Get Technical, where maybe we'll do some labs or cover some topics from the Sec Plus or otherwise, just so that way we are all well rounded as well. Thursdays, like I said, will remain the same at 6 p.m. Central with our typical setup where the first 2 weeks of every single month we will have speakers for. The middle of the month is just open discussion with no set topic. And the last Thursday of every single month is our job readiness and group resume review video. Now on Fridays, we'll just be an AMA and open stage where we'll just, whatever topics we come up with, any questions you guys have, maybe we'll review some stuff from the hands-on labs or otherwise, and take it from there. I look forward to creating more value for the community. Please let us know if you have any thoughts, suggestions, comments, concerns, or otherwise. I love to hear from the community, and I'll see you guys on Thursday.